Good morning, student. Chapter number 7, Structural Organization in Animals. Write a short note on nervous tissue or neural tissue. Neural tissue exerts the greatest control over the body responsiveness to change this condition. This is the first of axon. Second, center is a cell body with nucleus. This is a dendrite. This is a neuroglia. Neurons, the unit of neural system, are excitable cells. The neurological cells which constitute of the rest of neural system is a function of this protect and support of the neurons. Nervous tissue or nervous cells main function of the protect and support of the neurons, and neurologia make up of more than one half volume of neural tissue in our body. When a neuron is suitably stimulated and electrical distribution is generated, which swiftly travel along its plasma membrane. Arrival of the disturbance at the neurons ending of the output zone triggers events may cause stimulation or inhibition adjacent neurons of the other cells. This is a nervous cells. This is a neurons. And this layer, this is a Ranvier node, this is a Schwann cell, this is center nucleus, this is dendrites, this is a cell body, this is a neurolega, this is axon. Clear? Next point, organ and organ system. The basic of tissue organize to form organs means first of all develop cells, second tissue, third organ, and fourth organ system. Clear? First is the cells, second tissue, third organ, and fourth organ system. The basic tissue organize to form organs which in turn associated to form organ system. For is a multicellular means more than organism develop, it is a multicellular organism. Such an organization is essential for more efficient and better coordinated activities of millions of cells constituting an organism. Each organ in our body is made up of one or more type of tissue. For example, our heart is consist of all the four types of tissue. First is epithelial, second is a connective, third is a muscular, and fourth is a neural. First is epithelial, second connective, third muscular, and fourth is a neural. We notice that after some careful study, there are the complexity in the organ. An organ system as a displays means example of the heart consists of four types tissue. First is epithelial, second is a connective, third is a muscular, and fourth is a neural. This is a careful study of complexity in organ and organ system displays certain discernible trend. The morphology and anatomy of three organisms at different evolutionary levels give explanation to show their organization and functioning. Morphology refers to study of form or externally visible features. In case of animals, this refers to external appearance of the organs and parts of the body. The word anatomy conventionally is used for the study of morphology of internal organs in the animals. The morphology and anatomy of earthworms, cockroach, and frog representing invertebrates and vertebrates animals. In this theory, first is a organ and organ system are formed, and morphology of all character of anatomy of earthworms, cockroach and frog discuss next lecture. First of all, earthworms, second cockroach and third frog. But in 2020, syllabus involve only earthworms and frog, cockroaches delete. Clear? The 2 points are clear to learn earthworms and frog. First of all, earth morphology and anatomy, and frog morphology and frog anatomy. Clear? Thank you, student.